Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to manage your YouTube TV account. Now, you can go ahead and do this via your YouTube TV app or via the website itself. So I am here in tv.youtube.com, and here are a few things that you can go ahead and do to manage your YouTube TV account. Now, whatever is available in terms of live TV is based on your location. For you to go ahead and change your location, you can go ahead and click on your profile on the top right here, and then you can go ahead and click on location. Just go ahead and click on this, and then you're able to go ahead and update your home area or your current playback area. Now do bear in mind that this will change depending on your current location. So say for example, if you were to move somewhere else, say in Seattle, you can go ahead and click on update, and then this will get updated to your current area. Now do bear in mind that you can only do this on 2 occasions. So I've actually already updated this. So when I click on update, you can see that I can change this only one more time this year. So you have 2 chances to go ahead and update your home area in a year's time. Now another thing that you can do to manage your YouTube TV account is you can go ahead and add in more subscriptions. So to do that, all you need to do is to click on this icon right here, where you can go ahead and browse all of the different networks and add-ons that you can go ahead and add. So if you want to go for sports or anything to do with movies, you can go ahead and do so, and then you can go ahead and make changes to all of your YouTube account and subscriptions right here. And there you go. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.